Unboxing Oppo Reno 8T. Ano ang laman ng kahon? SIM ejector tool. Quick guide. Safety guide. Oppo Reno 8T. Adapter. USB to Type-C cable. Phone case. Earphone. Ang freebie ay power bank. USB to micro B cable. Kung gusto nyong i-review ko, comment down below. Follow for more.